Hi guys, welcome to
Jaden
and
Dude
YouTube channel. Today we are going to eat lychee. Yes, how to eat lychee? You know how to eat lychee?
Yeah.
Can you show to us?
Here's
Ayan.
the hair.
Dapat you wash muna, okay?
Of
I
course.
wash them
First,
kanina na.
till
No.
this with.
Oo, and then we wash already. Where's the tissue? Ayan. And then you put us the lychee muna kasi it's basa.
I got it, Daddy.
Oo. O, sige.
Bye-bye.
Let's put some tissue, no? Kasi it's wet pa.
We will peel all the
We will peel all. O,
lychee.
sige. You know how to peel it? O, sige, you peel na. Yo.
Peel now.
You sit down para they can see you. O.
Let Daddy something.
Diyan lang siya. O,
We
yan.
will peel it.
Get one. O.
So start.
O, ito na. O, 210 for you. O, yo, you peel na. O, sige na. I will peel mine. Sige na, you peel na. You start to peel your, ano.
Wait, I crack it.
Ganito, like this. You peel na, huwag mo kunin lahat. Like this, yan, see? Wow, it's fresh. The balat is crunchy.
Daddy, help me.
I help you,
Amazing.
you peel. Don't eat the buto niya. Only the laman.
What is yours?
Yan, like this, Then you remove the seed. The big seed, there is a big seed inside. Ayun.
Where?
Then, you can enjoy your cream.
That's why I am full.
No. Just like this. Ako na mag-tatanggal. I will remove remove the seeds muna. Ayan. It's for you. Ayan.
Dito pa.
Ayan, you remove the seeds. Kuya, for you.
Kay mami to?
Ako na, kuya, yan. Very good, kuya. Yan, you can eat now. Yan. How does it taste? Sweet? Is it sweet? 210? Ano? Eh?
Sweet!
Yummy? Let's take a picture. Kuya, 1, 2, 3. Show your lychee. Picture pa. 1, 2. And they cannot see you. 210. 1, 2. Remove the seeds na. 210. You want more?
Yes. I want more pa.
Sige, you balat na.
Daddy, help me. Daddy, help me. Daddy, hold the roses. How will you move up the seat?
Ito na. Like this. Ako na size na.
No, me.
Ayan. Ganyan dapat yung white. Like this,
Yes.
You can see.
Dad, help me buto. Dad, help me buto.
Remove the buto, the seed. Don't eat the seed.
Why?
Ayan. It's not edible.
Daddy, help me.
Just like this, you remove muna, just like this. Ayan. Remove the seed muna, yan, Don't eat. Kuya, this is yours. 210 for you.
Sorry. Hands ugly.
You remove before you eat.
There, see? Ito.
Ito pa.
Ugly.
Yummy.
Papa, can you do that, Daddy? I
210.
will show. That is so awesome.
Sweet nga eh. Oh. Kanino to? Sa'yo to. Yeah. You enjoy eating lychee? Yeah. Remove the seed.
Near dear. Then this. Hey, one more. Huh? What is this?
Oh.
Can I play with the seed?
Don't eat the seeds. Yeah. Oh.
I want to play with it.
Oh, don't play. It's not.
I want to play with
You
it.
want more 210?
Hey, Julian, hey, Daddy, give me all the seeds. I will always.
Later.
And when you win this one, we will play the seeds.
Later pa. 210 you peel off. 210. Oh.
Thank you.
You remove the ano.
Well.
You know. Dapat yung kulay white. Aroon. Ito na lang. Yan, remove the seeds muna. Don't kagat muna. 210. Oh.
Bobby, yung seed. Ow.
Mami, atang kami. Kanyaman na. Yummy. Let's see. Remove the seeds muna.
Itang 500. 500 pa. Oo, na yun.
Uy. Iba din yung 500.
Kapilan.
Ito nga do. Pantay mahid na ma.
Yeah.
Napinta.
Hindi.
Kulang ka pang 500. Wakot. Dala ko pala po dadalhin.
Ali, kamaya dyan mo ito. Chinelas. Datang itong chinelas mo
Ew.
225 yun. Yan o. Kasi dadala kita. Ngayon eh.
Tapos
Mahal ka niyang pitaka. Yan panyalbag na eh. Wala itong 500.
Nasanap na. Mamaya naman na. Say bye-bye na. Bye!
Mahal ka niyang pitaka yun eh. Ang pumugay. Pagligas.
Tama na. Nasanap na.
Pagligas ng gamit.
Tama na. Bye! Say bye-bye na. Bye-bye!
see you tomorrow. Next time we will eat
What do you want to eat next time?
lychee.
Lychee? No, next time. Aside from lychee. Next time we will eat what kind of fruit?
Lychee.
Next time now. Aside from lychee. Another fruit.
Dapat yung
Apple.
Apple. Okay, next time we will eat apple. Bye!